Every human being faces fears, whether big or small, visible or hidden. Fear is that shadow lurking behind us, telling us that we are not enough, that we cannot succeed, that the world is too much to handle. But within each of us lies something far more powerful, the voice of victory, the real guide.
Let it control me because my fear will be my limitations and I do not limit myself. I will not be tried by myself. I will be free because I was born to be free. Thank you so much. Don't let the fear control me.
Heavy words from your vocabulary. Anshul, you see your English. Anshul this, Anshul that, Anshul you cannot do this. My teacher in my school once told my parents that she is going to be a failure in her own life. And now she was the one who actually gave me this badge of my head girl.